Greetings Slackers, September Man here, and today I've got a special video. I've got something that I've been waiting for a very long time, so let's get to it. This is a Skydio 2 and I'm going to be unboxing it to show you everything that came with my order. Feels like an early Christmas for me, but I am excited because I've got my drone here. And so, as you can see, bam, got my order. And they included a starter kit, which is really nice. They showed that in the video. And that is a kit that comes with a case, a soft carry case, if you will. So if you go somewhere, you can kind of have this in your backpack. So that's sweet. So there's that with a letter from Skydio. And let's see what all's in here. And there it is. That is it right there. So we've got our charger, our power cord, the drone itself, a couple of extra propeller props, and a charger to hook it up to the wall. So let me see how to. Oh baby. Isn't that nice? So I'm gonna put this back and then we're gonna open up the other box that came, and this is the professional upgrade kit. I'm gonna clear this off and change camera angles. 1 second. All right, so here's the opening of the hard case that comes with the professional upgrade kit, which I did with Skydio. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Got the little strap because everything is sealed. But this is a nice hard case to carry your drone with. And so it has the beacon, some extra propellers. It has the ND filters for the camera lens. Came with a memory card for the Skydio. I've got my 3 batteries here. Oops, accidentally touched one, but hey, that's all right. I know that they're working. And we have the controller here. So that's the Skydio 2 controller. But this is just overall a really nice case, especially if you're going to be traveling and doing work professionally. You definitely want to take care of your equipment and protect it. But I think that this was well worth the upgrade. And also keep in mind, with the professional upgrade package, you get the Skydio 2 support. So anything happens to your drone, something malfunctions, stops working, you can go ahead and send it back and you're booted to the front of the line and you're made priority. But this is everything that it said would come with it. I'm excited to have it, and I will be showing you some drone footage captured from the Skydio 2 next.